How to turn a small job into a big job. Are you a master plumber but only getting calls for clogged drains? I will show you how a quick 60-second video can turn a small fix into a major kitchen remodel job. And it can work the same for any other thing. How do you do that? The key here is to show everything that you are doing in a very simple way. You don't have to be too elaborate, just in a very simple way. Contractors often think that their small day-to-day jobs aren't worth filming, but what you see as a simple task, your potential customer sees as magic. You just fixed something that was leaking, but what you have showed is how the leak was a symptom of a larger problem. And that is the important part, the important bit, that whatever you get, the small job that you get, you use it to expand the knowledge of the customer. And how do you do that? Step 1, show us what is the problem. In just a 30 to 60-second video, sometimes even shorter, just show us the problem and tell us what could be the cause of the problem. It's a very simple way. Then after that, once you have started doing the job, show us the during shot. That's 20 to 30-second video showing us what you are doing and how you are doing it and why it will help solve the problem that you're dealing with, the client is dealing with. And then the last shot, another 20-30-second video showing us the finished work. You see, these 3 videos, you can generate them in just 3 minutes. They are not going to take too much time for you. But you know what they are going to do? They are going to create trust. Because what you see is as simple. To them, it's something that it creates something new in them. That if I have this problem, I don't want to do this. Why don't I call someone that is really good at it? I saw you doing this. Are you able to do this for me? That is how a small job becomes another small job becomes another bigger job, and then it becomes into a bigger and better jobs. You are showing your process. You're showing your expertise. When a potential client sees you fix a problem, you diagnose and you solve it with precision, that is the beginning of something very important in your client. It is an opportunity for them. It's a touch point. I think I have talked about touch points. So important. They are very important because customers require as many touch points as possible. In psychology, they say you need at least 7 to 8 touch points with a client for them to feel like they trust you. And these touch points, you can increase them by, for example, if someone watches 2 of your videos, those are 2 touch points. If they watch a third one, that's 3 touch points. If they give you a call, that's the 4th touch point. But if the first thing that they do is a referral and a call, those are only 2 touch points. If they react with your content 3-4 times, by the time they're in the 5th and they call you, now they are very close to trusting you. And the more the connection that you have with your client, the better it gets for you. Thank you for watching, and go out there and do those videos.